So in my last video, I posted about pick locking the trainer's master lock, and it got a couple views that I'm very thankful of. But in this video, I'll be picking these four master locks. I believe this one is also a master lock, but it doesn't really say. So I'll be picking the smallest to the biggest in this one. So the tools I'll be using for this one is I'm going to be using this bar, flat on one end, thick on the other, and I'll be using the single pin right there, the single. So what I'm going to do is put that in there, make sure that is on the pins, and I'll be putting that part into there. So the hook is towards the pins, and I'll be putting a little bit of pressure on it. And right there, you can see that it just opened. I believe this one is basically the easiest one that you can do. Sorry about that. If you have a regular single pin, all you need to do is just put it all the way to the back, and it'll most likely already put all the pins up when you put the bar in. So you can turn it. Takes a couple tries, but we got that one done. So let's lay that one down. Now let's go for this one. Just a regular master lock, locked. So I'll be using this bar once again, and I'll be using the pin with the tooth. So let's put the bar in, put a little bit of tension on it, and let's gently bring it in. Wait until you hear the click after loosening the tension a little bit. Wiggle it a little bit. A little bit more. Takes a couple of tries, but you can see that it is still locked. One. Let's put it back in. Okay, I ended up doing around 1 to 3 clicks back, so it'll be easier. 1, 2. So the second one was the largest, so let's do that one. Let's take the single pin, bring it back. 1, 2, 3. So the third one was the biggest, so let's go for each pin. That one moved a little bit. Second pin, good. Third pin, good. Ended up moving a little bit more. You can't really see, but it did move. And there you go. That is the medium master lock picked. That one was a little bit more difficult. I believe it had around 4 or 5 pins to pick. So that one was a success again. Let's lay that one down with the other one. And let's go for the biggest one now. So this one is basically the hardest to pick because, well, it is number 5 for the master lock. Has many layers on it to keep it closed. It has these stainless steel pins going through each part, so 3 on top and 3 on bottom. like you can see right there. So what I'm going to do is use, once again, this pen, put it in, a little bit of tension, and I'll be taking this tool, putting it in, wiggle it a little bit because it's a little bit hard, loosen the tension, put it back in, and automatically unlocked. I believe the reason this one unlocked way faster is because, well, I believe it hasn't really been like properly security provided on it, but now that we have picked it, let's go with the commercial. And the commercial is basically the same thing, but it has 4 on each side, so 8 in total, like you can see right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool, right here, to put a little bit of pressure on it, because this one is a little bit more budgy. And this tool I'm going to use, once again, put it in, wiggle it a couple times, take it out, loosen up. So there was 2 clicks there, 1 click. So I'll switch over to the single pin all the way back. 1. You can see still locked. So let's go from the back again. That one's down. That one's down. That one clicked a couple times, which is a good sign. Clicked again, good sign. Let's loosen up a little bit. And I'm gonna do it again from the back. So you can see and hear that all the pins are basically up. So I loosened the grip a little bit till I heard a single pin go back in. So I'll take this again, gently wiggle it in. Go back. And I'll use the single pick once again to go on to the back. So that one's in, that one's in. So pretty much all of them are down. They just need to get aligned properly now. So let's 1, loosen up, go back in to the back. So all of them are basically down. So you can see that there's 1 more pin. And a couple more tries and it should go in. The commercial ones are a little bit harder because they're used for truck drivers and other major things like that. So bring back till you hear the click, put it back in, and very gently, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so all the pins are now stuck in the correct position. So I'll take this one, gently put it in, wiggle it around, loosen up, once again. The single pin, once again. Wiggle it a couple times. Loosen up. Wiggle it some more. And there we go. That one was a little bit more difficult because the inside has a couple barriers on it. So I had to make sure that the back pin, which was close to right here, was all the way up. So when the back pin was all the way up, I was able to put a little bit more pressure on it so I could do all the other ones. And when all the pins are up, it now gives the cylinder mobility to spin, which will also make the ball joint right here. It'll also have that go in, which will let go from this part, and it will also be connected to the ball pin is a small rod with a spring on it that'll be connected to another ball pin for right here. So that is the third lock picked, and I'm hoping to be getting some more. And also I want to thank all of you guys for all the support to my channel. Like, I can't believe we're already at 28 subscribers, and I just truly love how all of you are supporting my channel with lockpicking, and I'm hoping to get more tools and more challenges to complete. And I just want to say thank you so much, and just love all you guys so much.